With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello dear students, here according to the question, two pendulums C and D suspended from a wire as shown in the figure given below. Pendulum C is made to oscillate by displacing it from its mean position. It is seen that D also starts oscillating, and here from this condition we have to answer certain questions here. Question 1 is name the type of oscillation C execute. Question 2 is name the type of oscillation D will execute. Question number 3 is if the length of the D is made equal to C, then what difference will you notice in the oscillation of D? And question number 4 is what is the name of the phenomenon when length of the D is made equal to length of the C? So here according to the question, when the pendulum C is made to oscillate by displacing it from its mean position, then it is seen that D also starts oscillating, and here the oscillations performed by C will be damped oscillation, oscillations, where the amplitude of oscillation decreases with respect to time. So here answer of our first question, that is the type of oscillations executed by C will be damped oscillations, in which the amplitude of vibration decreases with respect to time. Now question 2 is name the type of oscillation D will execute. So here D oscillates due to external periodic force, because when C oscillates, the pendulum C will strike the pendulum D. It means the oscillation of pendulum D is under the action of external periodic force. Hence we can say that D will execute forced oscillations. Forced oscillation, that is oscillation under the action of external periodic force. Of external periodic force. Okay. Now question number 3 is if the length of capital D is made equal to C, then what difference will you notice in the oscillation of D? So here when length of the pendulum D is made equal to length of the pendulum C, then in that case we can say that D will start executing oscillations of very large amplitude, that is amplitude of oscillation will be increased, and now according to question number 4, what is the name of the phenomenon when length of capital D is made equal to length of pendulum capital C? Okay, so in this case we can say that here both pendulum oscillates with same frequency, and in this case the frequency of external periodic force is exactly equal to frequency of frequency of vibration, that is natural frequency of vibration. Okay, here we can say that frequency of external periodic force will be equal to natural frequency of vibration, and this phenomenon is known as the phenomenon of resonance. Hope this has answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.